Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, today's topic is weekend plans. We'll talk about how to say your plans in English, how to ask about someone else's plans, and how to answer in simple, clear sentences.
This is a great topic because everyone talks about the weekend. It's easy, it's fun, and it's real English you can use with friends.
Exactly. And remember, if you enjoy learning with us, please like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who also wants to practice English.
Okay, let's start.
So Leo, let's practice. I'll ask you, what are your plans for the weekend?
Good question. My plan is simple. On Saturday, I will visit my parents. On Sunday, I will relax at home.
Nice! Did you hear that, listeners? Leo said, my plan is simple. On Saturday, I will visit my parents. On Sunday, I will relax at home.
Yes, you can use this pattern. On day, I will activity.
Let's repeat together, listeners. Ready? On Saturday, I will visit my parents. On Sunday, I will relax at home.
Good job.
Now, let's share some useful phrases. Phrase 1. I'm going to.
Yes, for example, I'm going to watch a movie.
Or, I'm going to meet my friend.
Phrase 2. I want to.
Example, I want to sleep late.
Or, I want to cook pasta.
Phrase 3. I have to.
Yes, this means it's not just fun, it's something important. For example, I have to clean my room.
Or, I have to study English.
Great! Let's repeat all three phrases together. I'm going to, I want to, I have to.
Perfect. Let's do a short dialogue. Listeners, repeat after us. What are your plans for the weekend?
On Saturday, I'm going to play football. On Sunday, I want to relax.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
On Saturday, I have to clean my house. On Sunday, I'm going to visit my friend.
Nice. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Great job, listeners. Did you repeat with us? If yes, you were improving already.
Let's add more weekend activities. Listen and repeat. Go shopping. Do homework. Cook dinner. Visit family. Go for a walk. Watch TV. Play games. Clean the house.
Good. Let's make sentences.
On Saturday, I'm going to go shopping.
On Sunday, I want to play games.
On Saturday, I have to do homework.
On Sunday, I'm going to cook dinner.
Excellent.
Okay, let's do a listening practice. I will say my weekend plans. Listen carefully. On Saturday, I'm going to the park. On Sunday, I have to study English.
Did you hear that? Leo said, on Saturday, I'm going to the park. On Sunday, I have to study English.
Now, repeat after me. On Saturday, I'm going to the park. On Sunday, I have to study English.
Good job.
Remember, friends, don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are normal.
Yes, every time you practice, you get better.
And you are not alone. We are here with you step by step.
So keep going. You're doing great. Okay, let's review today's key phrases.
Phrase 1, I'm going to. Example, I'm going to watch a movie.
Phrase 2, I want to. Example, I want to sleep late.
Phrase 3, I have to. Example, I have to clean my room.
And remember the pattern, on blank, I will blank.
Yes, like on Saturday, I will visit my parents.
Great work today, everyone.
Before we finish, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what are your plans for the weekend?
We want to hear from you. Write a simple sentence. For example, on Saturday, I'm going to the supermarket.
Or, on Sunday, I want to relax.
We'll read your answers and maybe share some in the next episode.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.